Hello again, William Vinson, yeswilliam.com. Wanted to make a short video and show you something I found today. I've got 2 webinars to watch this evening, and I wanted to bring you what I've learned from one already today. Seems to be pretty cluttered with stuff like this sometimes, doesn't it? But you just got to pick and choose what you're going to use. If you bought it all, wouldn't have enough time to pay attention to it all anyway. So this is something from Neil Patel. I think you remember when I told you, I don't know, it's been a week ago in a video that I had listened to some of his stuff and his YouTube videos and stuff. Turns out he's a pretty big marketer, and that's where I got a few of my programs from. I guess that's how come I knew him already. One of the reasons anyway, between YouTube and the programs that I've gotten from him and emails I get from him, I knew the name. But now I know why too. So let me show you the program that it's another keyword tool. You know, we can't have too many of those. And this isn't on a Safari browser. This is my Chrome browser, and it's called seggest. You can see up here in the tab, and it takes you to Neil Patel's keyword search words engine. I put in online marketing, but I'm going to put a different one in so you can see something different. Something it come up, because let's put content marketing. Now, search volume, high 14,800. SEO difficulty 36, paid difficulty 44, cost per click $25.69. You can see 18,100 searches a month using that keyword now, content marketing. 18,100 searches a month. This is obviously gone up some since, let's see, this is December of last year, 12,100 searches, but then we get up here, this has been pretty steady search volume. Then they have other keywords that fit in there, content marketing being the highest one at 14.8, but Content Marketing Institute, World, Strategy, Agencies, Examples, Definitions. View all keyword ideas. Now, in case you're doing, that is part of your tag, part of your title or your description, then you can, you're looking for keywords in that particular category. Now, Google search engine, these tags, I guess you can upload them. I don't export to CSV, copy to clipboard, export to CSV, so you can take all the keywords, and look, let's see, in this one, it just keeps on adding to it. And this is all about content marketing. Digital marketing's one of them. Kuno Creative, we don't know, some of these things. Junto, he's another marketer. Digital marketing, Hinge marketing. But depending on what you're going to get, you can take all these keywords and export them to. And let's see what we got. Overview. Keyword ideas. I don't remember which one that was, what we were in. Okay, content ideas. Now, page title and URL. If you're looking for particular content, how to write small business content marketing in blog WordPress.com, you can just click on the tab and it'll bring you up to the content that you're looking for. Just takes a little while for it to load. So how to write a small business content marketing plan. So if you're looking for content, this is also a place to do that. Let's go to something different. There's an overview, top pages. What was this one? Content ideas, top pages. We'll go to content marketing again. Search. Now let's go back to pages. Well, I did that already. Keywords. I guess it just happened to have it on 2 lists. I don't know if it's working or not. I'm not used to working on Chrome browser anymore. Been a while. Let's go back. It didn't want to let me go back, does it? That is him right there, though, in case none of you's ever seen him. This is neilpatel.com. Let's grow your traffic, and you can see how it is. His website. You can schedule a call with him. I guess it's just because I was on his email list. He gave me that as a spinning thing. Let me go back to Uber Suggest, and let's get that back up here. See, he's got his name comes up in the look at here, what we got, boostability.com. Now, you never can tell what you might find whenever you come up in here. Boostability, free web page SEO score. Neil Patel, my new SEO tool, Uber Suggest. Now, I don't think you have to be part of him to use this tool. Wow, I don't know what happened. Let's go back. Oh, I remember being here now. See, here's some of his guides too. So digital marketing, direct digital marketing made simple, step-by-step guide. So, just so much information on this. This guy's created this. I guess this is why he's up in the 6 and 7 digit income. And I think this is how I got to him. I want more traffic, and it takes you to this page here. Let's grow your traffic. So this all came from going to neilpatel.com. What is digital trafficking? And so we back to here, the content that you can get off of these things. So you see, sometimes you run across things by accident that turn out to be pretty good. So if you thought this was valuable, then like and subscribe and comment. And I don't know if I learned something in the webinars tonight that I don't already know, or that I hadn't already shared with you anyway. It might remind me something. I keep me a pad of paper next to my computer, so when I run across things, I can write it down. So when you get to that, if you get to the point where you want to let me know something, what you're looking for, I'll let you know if I've found it. Might even have a video about it already, so then I'll be able to point you at which video. There's about 100 of them now, so you're getting up there. Anyway, like and subscribe, comment, ring the bell, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a great day.